In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Lock Screen. Then scroll down again and tap on Face Recognition. Following that, you need to enter your screen lock. Scroll all the way down and select Next. Then keep your face in frame, follow all of the instructions and wait for 100% mark. Now you need to select the best option for you. How do you want the lock screen to display? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, don't show notifications at all, or detect face to show all notifications. Wherever you decided when you finished, hit Done. Then tap on Turn On at the bottom right corner. Finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!